13 on Your Side Weather Deck is sponsored by Montel Construction, your home team.
I feel like every weekend we're talking about snow, and it seems like for the first time, we're not talking about snow, at least for the start of the week.
True, that's true, Lauren. We're dry right now and actually seeing some clearing skies across the region. That clear sky will allow for a colder night tonight with temperatures generally dropping into the teens, but we do have some snow on the way by the middle of this week. I'll have more on that in just a second. But your 13 weather ball is green. We do have no change foreseen to our temperatures. We'll be back in the 20s throughout the day tomorrow, so a little bit cooler than average across the region. No snow is in sight. We'll likely see at least some sunshine throughout the day tomorrow. We do have a cold night ahead of us with partly cloudy skies continuing as well. We'll be dry on Monday with light morning snow on Tuesday, possibly bringing 1 to 2 inches of snow northwest of Grand Rapids. And then the big story this week, we'll be watching the system late Wednesday into Thursday, which could bring a little bit more significant snow to the area, especially southeast of Grand Rapids. But live look right now in downtown Holland, you can see we're dry, temperature of 24 degrees, winds coming out of the west, bringing the wind chill value of 15 degrees. So it's a pretty cold evening out there. Make sure you bring your winter coat and gloves and hat outside. Same story in Muskegon, it's 24 as the sun is currently setting across the region, feeling more like 17 degrees with perfect visibility as well. Current satellite and radar does show high pressure across the Great Plains that will gradually drift toward West Michigan, leading to mostly sunny skies, at least for the morning portion of tomorrow, turning more mostly cloudy during the afternoon. So overall, partly cloudy skies are expected throughout the day right now. But zooming in on West Michigan, you can see we are seeing some clearing skies, lots of clear skies from Big Rapids, Grand Rapids, down toward Kalamazoo. Along the lakeshore, though, still holding on to some cloud cover, but overall, we're expecting partly cloudy skies to generally rule the theme throughout the overnight hours. Winds still coming out of the west, so it'll be a little bit warmer along the lakefront tonight, but generally, partly cloudy skies will rule the overnight hours, continuing into Monday as well. Then here's our light snow that we're talking about early Tuesday morning. Most of this will likely fall before the morning commute, even on Tuesday, so overall impacts will be pretty low, but mostly northwest of Grand Rapids, so Muskegon, Fremont toward Ludington, possibly seeing some light snow showers to start the day on Tuesday, and then by the afternoon we're expecting partly cloudy skies to try to develop during the later portion of the day. Like I said, we're not expecting a whole lot of snow with this. Generally northwest of Grand Rapids to Holland, maybe upwards of 2 inches of snow will be possible, and then maybe a dusting for everywhere else, but overall not expecting any major impacts going into Tuesday morning's commute. That could be a different story though as we approach Wednesday, especially later in the day going into Thursday. This is one of the models showing some heavier snow, possibly, especially from Grand Rapids to Fort Wayne to Detroit. This is one of the models. The confidence is at least increasing in snow for late Wednesday into Thursday morning for the possibility of seeing some heavier snow, especially southeast of Grand Rapids as well, before lake effect snow follows that. This is a different weather model that we use. This is still showing snow, especially some heavier snow to the southeast of Grand Rapids, late Wednesday into Thursday. So widespread, possibly some heavy snow in some areas. It looks to be increasingly likely Wednesday evening into Thursday morning, with some impacts definitely possible as well. This is what we're thinking as of now for Wednesday afternoon through Thursday morning. Confidence is higher in at least 3 inches of snow closer to I-94. Less confident as you head to the northwest toward Ludington, but overall, I think some areas in West Michigan, especially in the southern communities, could pick up several inches of snow late Wednesday into Thursday. Temperatures right now, though, generally around 20 degrees, so it's a cold evening. That will continue as we drop down into the teens tonight, only warming back up into the mid-20s throughout the day tomorrow. So a cooler temperature trend is in store for us, and that looks to be the case heading into the middle of the month as well. Generally cooler than average through most of February, I think. But for tonight, expect temperatures generally in the teens along the lakeshore with partly cloudy skies off to the north. The cold spots generally in the single digits, and then Grand Rapids to the south generally in the teens as well. Your 13 on your side 7-day forecast shows we will have partly cloudy skies throughout your Monday, and then we'll likely have some snow early Tuesday morning. Best chance for impactful snow late Wednesday into Thursday. So Lauren, all eyes definitely on the midweek system, which will bring the heaviest impacts most likely near Kalamazoo.
So we gotta get our shovels out, start getting everything out that we're used to take care of the snow.
For sure.
Thank you, Colton.